Hey there, kids. Let's do a little review right here. You've already seen this before, but we'll do it again. It says this, list the factors of 24. Do you know what a factor is? Sure. Okay, so we talked earlier this year that a factor times a factor equals a what? Right, that equals a product, right? So product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Okay, well, let's look at this one right here. I'm going to erase all this and get this out of our way. And it says this, list the factors of 24. Okay, well, there's a lot of them. And we always want to start with the simplest factor first. We know that the number 1 times any number equals itself. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 13 equals 13. 1 times 9 equals 9. So 1 times 24 equals 24. Now we're going to do something called a factor rainbow. We always start with the lowest number first. There's always going to be a 1 here. And then we go over and we connect it to the 24. Okay. Now, after we do the ones, we try twos. Well, we know this is an even number. So we know that it's divisible by 2. So 2 times something equals 24. Okay? 2 times what equals 24? 2 times 12 equals 24, right? So we've got 2 of them right there. Okay? We tried the ones, then we tried the 2. Now we're going to try threes. 3 times what equals 24? Right. 3 times 8 equals 24. Okay? And now we're going to try the fours. 4 times what equals 24? Right, 4 times 6. Notice that we've gone in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to try 5. 5 times what equals 24? Nothing, right? 5 times nothing equals 24. And then here's 6 right here. So it kind of closed in on itself. It went 1, 2, 3, 4. We tried 5. That didn't work. And there's 6 right there. So we've got all of them right now. All right, well, this right here, there's 2 different types of numbers that you could have depending upon how many rainbows they have. If there's many rainbows, like we got 1, 2, 3, 4 rainbows, this is called a composite number. But if there was only one rainbow, just like the number 1 and itself, we would call that a what? Not a composite number. It would be called a right, a prime number, okay? But this one's not prime. If there was one rainbow, it would be prime. If there's more than one rainbow, it's composite. So 24 is a composite number. Kids, there's all the factors of 24. Okay, now a lot of people, including a lot of adults, get factors and multiples mixed up, okay? Now, last time we looked at factors, now we're looking at multiples, okay? Multiples are just skip counting, okay? So if we're going to find the multiples of 7, well, we multiply in order by 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and so on. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. Now, when we look at, let's go back and look at factors for a second. When we do factors, there's only a certain number of factors for each number. We say there's a finite amount. Okay? So factors n, we can find all the factors, but you can never find all the multiples. Multiples go on and on and on forever. You could spend the rest of your life finding the multiples of 7. But luckily, they only asked for the first 5. So we got the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. There's more, right? But we don't have to find them because they just wanted the first 5. All right, well, this is the same thing as skip counting. If you were to skip count by sevens, you'd say 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, yada, 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 yada. And it would keep going on forever, wouldn't it? So these are the first 5 multiples. Don't get them confused with factors. Okay? 2 different things. Kids, there you go. Go ahead and try it. Let us know if you need help. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.